In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom dictionary in Microsoft Word. This is a very helpful feature if you frequently work with specialized terminology, unique names, technical words, or industry-specific language that Microsoft Word might normally flag as spelling errors. By creating a custom dictionary, you can tell Word to recognize certain words as correct, which helps reduce unnecessary spelling alerts and keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. To begin, open Microsoft Word and make sure you have a document open on your screen. The document itself does not need to contain any specific content, but having Word open will allow you to access the settings where custom dictionaries are managed. Once the program is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will open the Backstage view, where you can manage application settings and configuration options. From the menu on the left side, scroll toward the phone, bottom, and select Options. Clicking this will open the Word Options window, which contains a wide range of settings that control how Microsoft Word behaves. While the list may look extensive at first, we will focus only on the section related to spelling and grammar tools. Inside the Word Options window, look at the navigation panel on the left side and select the option labeled Proofing. This area controls how Word checks spelling and grammar within your documents. After opening the Proofing section, look for the button labeled Custom Dictionaries and click on it. This will open a new dialog box that displays the dictionaries currently available for Word to use. Within this window, you will see the default custom dictionary that Word uses for storing additional words. To create your own dictionary, click the button labeled New. A file dialog box will appear, allowing you to choose where the dictionary file will be saved on your computer. You can give the dictionary a name that reflects its purpose, such as one related to a specific project or type of terminology. After naming and saving the dictionary file, it will appear in the list of available dictionaries. Make sure the checkbox beside your new dictionary is selected so that Microsoft Word actively uses it when checking spelling. With the dictionary enabled, you can begin adding words that Word should recognize as correct. From this point forward, whenever you add unfamiliar terms or specialized vocabulary to your custom dictionary, Microsoft Word will remember them and stop marking them as spelling errors in your documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.